Boost your weight gain journey with this easy to make homemade powder featuring nutrient rich ingredients. Ingredients and benefits: cashews, packed with healthy fats and protein to support muscle growth and energy. Pistachios, rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats for overall vitality. Black sesame seeds, high in calcium, iron, antioxidants, and healthy fats to enhance metabolism. Rice provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy and calorie surplus. Jaggery powder, a natural sweetener loaded with minerals like iron and potassium. Instructions: dry roast the cashews, pistachios, black sesame seeds, and rice separately until lightly golden and aromatic. Let cool completely, then grind all roasted ingredients into a fine powder. Add jaggery powder and mix well. Store in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. How to use: take 2 to 3 tablespoons daily with warm milk or water. You can also eat it as it is for a quick nutritious boost. This nutrient packed powder provides healthy fats, proteins, and calories that support natural and sustained weight gain. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and follow for more health and wellness tips.